These are the 5 hottest roles in AI in 2025 and 2026. These roles all sit inside the AI ecosystem, but they attract completely different personalities, skill set, and the kind of engineers. The first one is Forward Deployed Engineer or FDE. Think of this as an engineer who works on the front lines. Instead of sitting inside one of the core product teams, you embed directly with the customers, understand their messy real-world problem, and build custom AI solutions with them. You might be building a RAG workflow for a financial institution one month and a classification pipeline for a logistic company the next. Companies like Palantir, Scale AI, Snowflake, Databricks, Google, and even fast-moving generative AI startups like Fireworks are hiring for this role. The second one is Developer Advocate for AI. This role is the complete opposite in style. Instead of embedding with customers to build solution, you help the entire developer ecosystem understand how to use your platform. You write sample code, build demos, record videos, run workshops, and help developers adapt new tools. You need to code as well, but you also need to communicate clearly. Companies like OpenAI, Anthropic, Fireworks, Databricks, and Hugging Face are hiring aggressively for this role because teaching is the new bottleneck in AI adoption. The third one is Technical Account Manager. This is a hybrid role that blends engineering depth with customer strategy. You aren't building the model yourself, but you deeply need to understand how customers' data, workflows, and constraints shape the AI solution. You need to help them design architectures, debug integration issues, measure performance, and plan long-term deployment strategies. TAMs at companies like Snowflake, Databricks, OpenAI, Google Cloud, and ServiceNow are actually playing a critical role because enterprise needs guidance after they adopt AI, not just before it. The fourth role is AI Research Engineer, sometimes also called as Post-Training Engineer. This is a role for somebody who likes to go deep into model behavior. You work on fine-tuning, preference optimization, safety tuning, distillation, evaluation, and benchmarking. You might be running reinforcement learning-based training loops, improving model reliability, or designing experiments that uncover failure modes. And the fifth role is the AI Infrastructure Engineer. This is the engineer that builds the backbone that the entire AI stack runs on. Your focus will be on throughput inferencing, distributed system, GPU optimization, vector databases, memory management, caching layers, and deployment runtimes. You make sure that the models are running fast, cheaply, and reliably at scale. If you enjoy systems programming and performance engineering, this role is perfect for you. What makes these 5 roles so interesting is how different they are. One is a customer-facing role and scrappy, the other one is educational and community-driven, one is strategic and architecture-focused, one is deeply experimental and research-heavy, and one is all about system performance and engineering backbone. When you understand these differences, picking your path becomes much easier. And in the field that is moving so quickly, clarity about where you belong is one of the biggest competitive advantage that you can give yourself. So tell me in the comments below, which role do you think is the right for you?